Hi guys, this is Swarup, your host and host Swarup, back with a new video, and welcome to my channel, Swarup Viper. I was not there for many weeks, or I may say many months, but I'm very sorry for that. Just wanted to let you know guys that I have purchased this Boya mic, which many technical reviewers had observed and told that this is the best mic for YouTube videos, and that's the reason I have purchased this. And the main reason behind purchasing this mic is for better audio clarity, which I think my audience deserve. And from now on I will bring more technological videos and technological news. Starting off with technological news, it's very interesting to get notified by all your loved ones that please make a video of the best smartphones nowadays. In 2018 there are lots of smartphones which have been there, so for us consumers it's very difficult to advise that this is the best or this is the not the best. So for example, iPhone. Now if I define iPhone in India, many of the users who buy iPhone is only for the logo and the brand name. They don't care about the specifications, because if you say in US they usually buy the latest iPhone, which is iPhone XS and XS Max, but in India people used to buy iPhone 6 in 2018, whereas there is alternative options are available. So why this kind of craziness in buying the iPhone? I don't know why Indian people used to buy an old iPhone which is not even having the latest processor. If you want an iPhone, go for a new iPhone which had the latest specs. Don't go for the old iPhone. Like even my one of my friends had 5C. He had just purchased that 5C in just 6 months ago, whereas there are alternative available at that time, which is OnePlus 5T. There are lots of Honor phones which are retailing under 25,000 to 30,000. Why he has spent? I told him that, dude, please return that phone and buy a new phone which is having a latest processor. So he said to me that no, I don't need any latest processor phone. I only want iPhone 5C. He's happy with that. So this is the thinking we technological nerds need to change. People who buy these phones doesn't care about any specs, but after few days they will, because ultimately you are using the phone. So my question is why people are not judging the phone with its specs, without its specs. With specs, yeah, it's okay, you can buy an iPhone, but latest one for example. But without specs, if you buy a Xioami in 2018, that will be like crazy. So it doesn't have anything to do with buying or anything to do with the needs of the people. So let me start off my video with the new iPhone XS and XS Max, which is now creating buzz. Lots of YouTubers had made videos of iPhone XS and XS Max. I can say that Marcus Brownie to Unbox Therapy, everybody has made, from unboxing to reviews, also from the camera reviews to its technical reviews. But the two major flaws which I have seen is about which Lou has also created a video on this. He said that there is some charge gate issue with the iPhone XS and XS Max. Whenever you charge the device, it doesn't get charged. So later on, when you put it on charge, and then in the morning when you wake up, then you find out that no, it's not even charged a single percent, because you have not waken it up. So that's the issue which has been found. Also, there is one more issue for the iPhone XS and XS Max, is that it's waterproof, but many of the people are complaining that it isn't waterproof. Yeah, it has been certified IP68 in 2018, but many of the forums said that iPhone has some issue with the water. So that's one major issue which I think Apple needs to fix it soon. From my point of view, I have seen that Apple has thrown an update for the same, and if you guys have not received the update, then just check it, because yesterday I heard that Apple has launched an update to fix all the charge gate issue and everything in its internal parts. So yes, Apple has tried its luck and come up with a solution. Also, one thing I didn't noticed about iPhone XS and XS Max is that why you guys are bundling a normal charger. Suppose in India the iPhone price is 1,50,000, almost 1,39,500 for the 512 gigs version. You're selling that in about almost 1,50,000 mark, and you're bundling a normal charger. Come on, man. A 35,000 OnePlus 6 has a fast charger, whereas 1,50,000 doesn't bundle a fast charger. That's ridiculous. I mean, Apple should think about this 10 times a lot, because now you already purchased iPhone. Then the problem here is you have to spend more $70, not 70, $30 maybe for the charger. Why spending so much? Because we are already spending too much on a phone. Why I have to bundle an additional charger case for fast charging? That's my question. But hey Apple, it's Apple, so everybody is going out for the Apple. So only for the brand name, if you're spending so much and you're not getting too much, I don't think that's a good deal. I don't think that's a good prospect of selling any product. But yes, that's one thing Apple should take care of from my perspective. So yes, this was my small video towards the new phones which are coming, especially iPhone 10 and XS Max, which I have already talked about. Definitely I'm gonna talk more about the Big Billion Day, which is coming soon in Flipkart. Also the Amazon sale, which is going to soon, which is coming. Also about the Amazon Great Indian Sale, which is also coming and giving a tough competition to Flipkart. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of videos, more about technology and less about the facts which is coming out. And also let me know about the sound quality, because in here I have used some additional setup to enhance the sound. This is the Boya mic. I have not talked about it much, but I hope that you guys love the sound which it delivered. I've kept my fan off so that you guys have a crisper and sharper audio quality in this video. Hope you guys liked my video. If you like it, just hit the like button. If you don't, then just tell me in the comments that what you guys want to see more changes in my channel, because I'm a new YouTuber and I usually don't come every week, or don't able to get the news to you guys because of the busy and hectic schedule. But I will try from now onwards to be delivering more tech news to you guys. Also tell me that in the comment section what else you want to see in this channel. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. This is Swarup signing off. Bye.